Hi, my name is Brian Rasbach, the Director of Sales for 3D Factory and Metrology for FARO Technologies. We're based in Lake Mary, Florida. We're a manufacturer of a multiple breadth 3D devices for both measurement and rapid prototyping. We have released 8 new products since July of this year, and we continue to take an R&D drumbeat to bring not just disruptive technology to the marketplace, but technology that can assist manufacturers and rapid prototypers alike to make their business more efficient and grow more market share. Please feel free to look at the website FARO.com, FARO.com, for more information on all the breadth of our products, and we look very forward to seeing you soon.